Alright here, so Sunday, November 7th, preparing for tomorrow, Monday morning. Just want to go over my watch list. I'm not going to go over all of it. I doubt all these players are going to be in action tomorrow, but these are just things to keep an eye on. A few that I want to go over, just to get an idea of what I'm looking for. Pola, for example, is this recent runner here with intense volume, 7 million float, lower market cap, it's at 71, 72-ish, and we got this solid kind of basing after this spike did not continue lower and just die. It could, but as of now, it's looking like it's holding up, and I think if we get a break over 637 here, I think theoretically we should test the next resistance level, and this one has strong volume resistance, individual volume right in the mid sevens. So for me, this is going to be a potential play tomorrow if we do get some volume and a break of 637 for that squeeze, because that's the next resistance level. Could head higher, but you just take your quick gains. All you need is one, so get that one play a day. It'll add up. So that's kind of my take on Pola. We got XRTX as well, which is still kind of not really breaking down, kind of in this range here between 3 and the 6-ish area. We got all-time highs at 620. It will be a lot to break over this candle of 589. We have a lot of selling going on here. So, if anything, if this doesn't take off, I could see this being a late day play. I don't know how it's going to set up, but I do think it's going to need some time to consolidate, to let shorts get back in and size up into this resistance level. And then after it fails to break down, giving it a couple hours or so, shorts will get squeezed, or expectations will be broken. And I think we could get a solid push from 6.2 maybe to 10. I certainly won't be holding that long. I'll probably take $1 or two. But that's something to keep an eye on this week. If it fails to break down and volume comes back, shorts could definitely be triggered, and that could be a nice squeeze to profit off of. We got what else? Sava. This one's kind of tricky. This one has earnings tomorrow, so this is a solid, beautiful uptrend. I would love to be in this overnight. It just has earnings, and I'm mostly a technical trader, so I'm playing the chart. And that's a game I don't know. We'll see the reaction to earnings. If it gaps up and it holds up, the volume keeps coming, I'm going to assume it was a good call that they had, and we'll be looking for that 100 break to test anywhere from 125 to 150. At that point, it'll be new highs, so it might, if you get good earnings, it could possibly make a move like that. I think this is volume, 37.5, not insane. You could definitely do it. So that's why I'm not in that overnight, but that's certainly going to be something to keep an eye on. Unless it just tanks, then won't be touching earnings losers. Petz is another play. Keep an eye on. This will be a solid breakout, low float. Relatively low market cap, holding up. It did have a solid gap up here, got to the 8s or so. Here it offered an open price play, but here we are still holding up. I think if we break 467 multi-day break here, we can get a test of possibly the or the after hours highs here of 8. It's a low float. It's one of the most shorted stocks in NASDAQ. I think it's like top 25. Was it Petz? I might be wrong, to be honest. But I want to say Petz was play that has a lot of shorts packed into it. Might be wrong, but actually I do want to check. I have my phone here. Just give me one quick second. Oh no, I was thinking of Otrk. My bad. Yeah, we'll go over that one. This is still a good play. I think this is still right near the highs, low float. This could certainly trap some more shorts, and if it fails to break down, it'll break their expectations and head higher. But one last one we'll go over. Otrk. Wait, no, Otrk. So yeah, this just recently spiked. Missed out on it. Low float, low market cap, insane volume. It has roughly 30% short interest on it. So if this fails to break down, I think we'll get a solid break from 1480 to lead to the mid 15s break here. And I think after that we will get a test of 20. I think shorts will get squeezed. Who knows if I hold that long. But these are just some of the potential plays this week to keep an eye on that could potentially head higher. It might not all work out perfectly. Yeah, just one quick overview of some of the tickers on my watch and how I'm approaching them, what I'm looking at. So yeah, just all really just looking for shorts failure to take over, and when their expectations are broken, you should get a short squeeze if there's plenty of shorts in there. And yeah, we'll call that for this video. We'll see, not hope, I'm betting one of these plays is going to do something. We'll have to wake up and see what the momentum's like. But yeah, hopefully Sava has some good earnings, get a solid break over 100, and hopefully that one takes off. So yeah, we'll just study up, finish off this weekend, prepare for tomorrow, relax a little bit, but let's come back refreshed and ready to tackle on a new week.